Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today talking about new arrival remote control helicopter. Okay, here we go to the video. Foldable and easy to carry. Altitude, hold. Automatic power off. Low battery reminder. Rotation axis linkage. Rear wing. Metal mechanical style. Metal framework structure. Front searchlight. Safety helicopter with certifications. Ideal gift choice for children age 8+. Product features. USB interface safe and convenient. Bright LED lights. Helicopter. Remote control. Screwdriver. Spare tailblade. USB cable. User manual. For more details, link is in the description. What do you guys think about this video? Remember to press the like button. Send your questions, suggestions if you have. Okay, friends, be a good person. Bye bye. So, I'm gone.